Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep encountering that your IT administrator has limited access error in the Windows Security app. First, right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar. Then, select Run from the list. Here, type the file path shown on the screen. Then, hit Enter. In the File Explorer window that opens, right-click on the Security Health Setup file. Then, select Run as Administrator. Wait for the command prompt to appear. It should disappear automatically. After that, open the Windows Security app and it should work. If it does not, right-click on the Start icon again. This time, select Terminal Admin from the list. Now, copy these commands from the video description. Once copied, return to the terminal window. Here, press Ctrl+V to paste the command, and then hit Enter. Now, restart your PC and Windows Security should work as expected. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.